Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best direct access Forex brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is a highly regulated, low-risk Forex broker that offers competitive trading conditions with tight spreads guaranteed. This broker has been in the Forex industry for more than a decade and offers 2 flexible account types, in addition to demo accounts and swap-free accounts. With Pepperstone, you can diversify your investment portfolio with more than 1,200 instruments and enjoy all the tools and features offered by the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, as well as the cTrader trading platform. Pepperstone provides plenty of helpful articles for beginners, along with weekly video updates, price forecasts, and so much more. Pepperstone offers 2 main trading accounts with institutional-grade spreads, an active trader program, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All trading accounts allow hedging, scalping, and the use of expert advisors. Pepperstone uses a no-dealing desk broker that also offers premium benefits for professional traders. Pro clients have access to higher leverage referral rewards and dedicated account managers. Pepperstone provides the Razor account, which offers spreads starting at 0 pips and is recommended for scalpers and algorithmic traders. The Standard account is a beginner-friendly account with spreads starting from 0.6 pips. The Pepperstone demo account can be used on MetaTrader 4 and 5 as well as cTrader, and you can also specify the type of account you would like to try in a risk-free environment. Their swap-free accounts are suitable for clients of the Muslim faith and offer spreads starting at 1 pip, along with support for scalping, hedging, and expert advisor trading. Their active trader program is designed for high-volume traders and comes with virtual private server hosting and advanced insights and reports. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the cTrader trading platform. They also provide some helpful trading tools such as Smart Trader tools for MetaTrader 4 and 5, AutoChartist, MyFXBook, MetaTrader Signals, and DupliTrade for social trading. If you are new to trading, Pepperstone offers plenty of helpful trading guides and articles, educational webinars, and the option to copy the trades of professionals. You can also use a demo account to learn how to trade and practice different strategies. Pepperstone is an award-winning no-dealing desk Forex broker that offers competitive, beginner-friendly trading accounts. With this broker, you can trade over 1,000 instruments on 3 of the most popular trading platforms in the market. You will have access to a variety of trading tools and plenty of market insights, market news, and educational resources to help you get started. At number 4 on our list is FP Markets. FP Markets is a leading online trading provider offering access to a wide range of financial instruments, including Forex, CFDs, and commodities. With a commitment to transparency, innovation, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides traders with cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Established in 2005, FP Markets has grown into a globally recognized brand, serving clients in over 150 countries. Through its user-friendly platforms and comprehensive educational resources, FP Markets empowers traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets with confidence. FP Markets offers a range of advanced trading platforms designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, cTrader, TradingView, and the FP Markets mobile trading application, with advanced trading tools and copy trading functionality. FP Markets offers a range of account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders. These accounts include the standard and raw trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. Regardless of the account type chosen, FP Markets is committed to providing traders with superior execution, transparent pricing, and exceptional customer service. The broker also offers a robust suite of educational resources tailored to empower traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets confidently. Their educational hub, accessible through their website, features a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, videos, and webinars covering various topics such as strategies, technical analysis, risk management, and market insights. Whether traders are novices seeking foundational knowledge or seasoned professionals looking to refine their strategies, their educational resources are designed to support continuous learning and growth in the trading journey. Overall, FP Markets stands as a trusted and innovative online trading provider, offering a comprehensive suite of services and resources to empower traders worldwide. With a commitment to transparency, excellence, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides access to cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Whether you are new to the world of online trading or a seasoned professional, the broker's user-friendly platforms, extensive product range, and educational resources ensures that traders have the tools and support needed to succeed in the dynamic world of financial markets. Coming in at number 3, we have XTB. XTB is a globally recognized online trading platform offering access to a wide range of financial markets. Established in 2002, the company has grown into one of the world's leading brokers, providing innovative trading solutions through its proprietary XStation platform. XTB is regulated by top-tier financial authorities and serves traders across multiple countries. The broker is committed to empowering traders of all experience levels with advanced tools, educational resources, and competitive trading conditions. The broker offers a wide range of trading instruments, giving traders access to global financial markets. The broker provides trading in Forex, indices, commodities, stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies, allowing for portfolio diversification across different asset classes. XTB offers advanced and user-friendly trading platforms designed to enhance the trading experience for both beginners and professionals. Their flagship platform, XStation, provides intuitive navigation, advanced charting tools, real-time market analysis, and fast trade execution. Available on desktop, web, and mobile devices, XStation ensures seamless access to global markets anytime, anywhere. Additionally, the broker also provides trading through the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. XTB offers flexible trading account types designed to suit the needs of different traders, whether for beginners or experienced professionals. Their accounts feature competitive spreads, fast execution, and access to a wide range of financial instruments. These accounts include the standard and pro trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. The broker offers comprehensive educational resources to support traders at all experience levels. The broker provides free courses, webinars, market analysis, and trading guides to help traders enhance their skills. Overall, XTB is a trusted and innovative broker that provides traders with a comprehensive range of financial instruments, advanced trading platforms, and valuable educational resources. With its focus on security and customer support, XTB offers a seamless trading experience for both beginners and experienced traders, whether through competitive account types, expert market analysis, or powerful tools. XTB is dedicated to helping traders achieve their financial goals in the dynamic world of online trading. At number 2 on our list is IC Markets. IC Markets stands as a renowned financial institution committed to providing cutting-edge trading solutions for a diverse clientele. With a solid foundation in the financial markets, IC Markets has established itself as a leading broker, offering a wide array of trading instruments and services. Their global presence ensures accessibility for traders worldwide, while their commitment to innovation and transparency sets them apart in the dynamic world of online trading. IC Markets offers a diverse and comprehensive range of trading instruments, catering to the varied needs of traders in the global financial markets. Traders can access a wide spectrum of assets, including Forex currency pairs, commodity CFDs, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. The broker ensures that their trading instruments incorporate the latest financial products, and the platform's versatility allows traders to explore and capitalize on various market movements, making IC Markets a preferred choice for those seeking a robust and dynamic trading experience across multiple asset classes. IC Markets provides trading platforms which are designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from beginners to experienced professionals. And these platforms are namely the IC Markets proprietary trading platform, MetaTrader 4, and MetaTrader 5, as well as cTrader, with social trading functionality and a diverse range of tools. Their trading platforms are designed to cater to the diverse trading preferences and styles of their clientele, solidifying their position as a leading provider in the online trading industry. As a globally recognized broker, IC Markets offers a versatile array of trading account types to cater to the distinctive preferences of traders around the world. These include the raw spread, standard, and Islamic accounts, with demo account options. With these diverse account options, IC Markets ensures that traders have the flexibility to choose an account that aligns with their individual trading preferences and strategies. Whether prioritizing tight spreads, commission-free trading, or the innovative capabilities of cTrader, IC Markets aims to empower traders with tailored solutions for a dynamic trading journey. The broker also recognizes the importance of education in empowering traders to make better informed decisions. And the platform offers a comprehensive suite of educational resources to enhance the trading knowledge and skills of its users. Traders can access a variety of educational material, including video tutorials, articles, webinars, and market analysis, all aimed at enhancing their understanding of the financial markets. Overall, IC Markets stands as a preeminent global broker committed to providing a cutting-edge and inclusive trading experience. With a robust range of trading instruments, versatile platforms, and diverse account types, IC Markets caters to the unique preferences and needs of traders worldwide. They continue to set industry standards, offering a gateway to the world of online trading with sophistication and reliability. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best direct access Forex brokers, we have Eightcap. Eightcap is a global online trading platform that offers competitive trading services in Forex, CFDs, and other financial instruments. With a focus on providing traders with access to advanced technology, low spreads, and high liquidity, the broker aims to deliver an optimal trading experience. Their platform is regulated in multiple jurisdictions, ensuring a secure and trustworthy environment for both beginners and experienced traders. By offering a wide range of account types, trading tools, and educational resources, Eightcap strives to meet the diverse needs of its international client base. Eightcap offers a wide range of trading instruments across multiple asset classes, allowing traders to diversify their portfolios with ease. Clients can trade Forex pairs, indices, commodities, shares, and a large selection of cryptocurrencies. With competitive spreads and flexible leverage, Eightcap provides access to both traditional and emerging markets through powerful platforms like MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 4 offers an intuitive interface with flexible trading systems, while MetaTrader 5 supports a wider range of order types and provides an enhanced charting package with 21 timeframes and over 80 technical indicators. MetaTrader 5 also facilitates automated trading through expert advisors. Additionally, the broker integrates with TradingView, allowing clients to trade directly from TradingView's advanced charting interface. This integration enables seamless access to over 800 CFD markets, combining TradingView's powerful analytical tools with Eightcap's trading infrastructure. The broker offers a variety of trading account types to cater to the needs of different traders. These include the Standard, which provides competitive spreads and access to a wide range of instruments, as well as the Raw account, which offers tighter spreads and commission-based pricing for more experienced traders. Eightcap also provides a TradingView account, which integrates the broker's trading services with TradingView's advanced charting platform. This account provides traders access to a variety of instruments with spreads starting from 1.0 pips and a minimum deposit requirement of $100 US. The TradingView account caters to both novice and experienced traders. Eightcap provides a range of educational resources designed to support traders at all levels. The broker offers webinars, video tutorials, and comprehensive guides covering various aspects of trading, from platform usage to advanced strategies. Additionally, the broker's educational content includes market analysis, trading tips, and expert insights to help traders enhance their skills and stay informed about market trends. These resources aim to empower traders with the knowledge needed to make informed decisions and improve their trading experience. And those are some of the top 5 best direct access Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.